As the day cools, a different kind of adventure awaits. For nature enthusiasts, an evening walk along the shores of Lake Ndutu offers a window into a hidden world, unseen from the vantage point of a jeep. The guide points out a dazzling array of insects, from brightly colored beetles to fascinating millipedes, each playing a vital role in the ecosystem. Our expert guide leads the way, deciphering the stories etched in the earth. Even animal waste becomes a fascinating puzzle. By examining droppings, the guide can identify the creatures that have dined here, revealing their dietary habits and recent presence. Reaching the lake shore, a breathtaking spectacle unfolds. Hundreds of flamingos stand in the shallows, their vibrant pink feathers reflecting the fading sunlight. The air fills with their honks and calls, creating a symphony of nature. As the last rays of the sun disappear, painting the sky in a breathtaking display of color, we pause to appreciate the beauty around us. This evening walk has been a journey of discovery, a chance to connect with nature on a deeper level and witness the hidden stories that unfold after dark. Join us on this unforgettable experience and discover the magic that awaits on an evening walk at Lake Ndutu.